In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Sendwave to UK Bank. Let's set the stage clearly. Sendwave is great for sending money, and in some places it also offers a feature called Wallet. The wallet lets recipients cash out funds in a few different ways. They can move money to a local bank account, transfer to a mobile wallet, or pick up cash in person. It's designed to make receiving funds flexible and convenient, but that flexibility depends on where the recipient is located. Here's the key point. Wallet cashouts are only available in select countries, and those countries are mostly in parts of Africa and Asia. Coverage can change over time, but at the moment, the United Kingdom is not on the list of supported destinations for withdrawing funds from Sendwave into a UK bank account. If you're trying to pull money directly from Sendwave into a UK bank, the app simply doesn't provide that route today. So what can you do instead? Your first practical option is to use a different money transfer service that supports receiving in the UK, specifically to a UK bank account. Look for a service that explicitly lists the UK as a receiving country and supports local GBP bank deposits. Before you proceed, compare fees, exchange rates, transfer speeds, and any verification requirements. Take a moment to confirm the recipient name must match the bank account and to check any limits that might affect larger transfers. There's another possible path if the funds are already in a Sendwave-supported receiving country. In that case, you could cash out there into a local bank account or mobile wallet and then complete a second separate transfer from that local account to the UK. Keep in mind this two-step approach often adds extra costs, currency conversions, and longer timelines. It can also introduce risks, such as stricter compliance checks or delays if names don't match exactly. Always document each leg of the transfer, keep receipts, and make sure both transfers meet local regulations. Finally, it's worth confirming the latest information directly with Sendwave. Features and supported countries can change, and there may be updates relevant to your situation. Reach out through the app's help or the official support channels on their website and ask whether UK withdrawals have become available or if there's an approved workaround for your specific case. To recap, direct withdrawal from Sendwave to a UK bank isn't currently supported. Your best alternatives are to use a service that receives directly into the UK, or if funds already sit in a supported country, complete a separate transfer to the UK with full awareness of the fees and risks.